Alright, welcome. This is Charles here with Liquid Dice H Media again. Showing you how we set up like co-ops with banners, or say you're doing a solo ad co-op. Track.me does an excellent job as far as switching out links for each impression. In my example, the banners, each time your banner comes up, it'll show a different link each time. I've already set one up here. So you go into links. What you would do is you hit add tracker. You would add hits to a link. Click next step. Now this is when you're trying to show some banner ads. You can put in the HTML placement. I would recommend just going in and uploading the picture and then just adding the link there. You can do track the views of banners, but this is a little bit more easier to control on your end. It's as if everybody's using the same banner picture for this example here. Anyways, you click next step. You put in your tracker name. I would not select social bar because obviously there's going to be multiple people in this, and you don't want one person's social information showing up the entire time. And then URLs is track. This is the first link you would put in there. So like I have this one. Oh, wait a minute. Tracker name, we'll do co-op test. Next step, it's going to give you a link here. This is going to be the link that you're going to put in for the banner ads. Say, like in this instance, we go to add banners, go back to here. Like the target URL is what you're going to put this link into. Now, I would recommend changing it up. You can use either track.me domain or trackers.com. Make sure you put it in a folder. Keep all your links together in folders. That way they're a lot easier to manage. Because once you go back to the regular links, you could have 50, 70, 100 different links. So it's good to keep it in folders so it kind of groups them all together. Change the custom text. You want to put this something that is going to be easily recognizable, and it's going to pertain to the banner that you're putting up. So we'll just put ARP test co-op banner. You wouldn't put that. You'd put something like instant income solutions or business in a box or something like that. Manually track the conversions yourself. You do not want to show the social frame. You do not want to put your photo up there. You automatically want to track the advertising sources, and you want to hide the advertisement link. Alright. What that's going to do is it's going to leave whatever you set this up to, that's going to stay throughout the whole funnel. That way it doesn't give away your username and reference, and it doesn't look like it's an affiliate link. Click Save Changes, go back to Stats. Alright, from here we're going to add more links. So, reference to the one I did earlier. This is what I was talking about. See, I've got a lot of links set up in here, and I just started to actually categorize them down. So now I have everything that involves my ARP. It's all listed here. But the test ad, where'd it go? Man, I forgot to select the folder. I forgot to put it in a folder right here. So ARP folder, go back to here, ARP that's where that would be. Back here, the one I already set up earlier. Right, you see I have 4 different links already set up on the one I previously set up. I'll copy these links over just to show you how this works. So add a link, that there, add another link. There, add another link. That there. Alright, so once you have all your links set up, you hit submit. Alright, so that puts all these links in a rotator. Now, you can change how often they show up. You can go high, medium, low, or pause the thing completely where it won't show. Set a title for it or a filter. These are all optional. You don't have to fill this information out. Do recommend keeping it on high. If you have multiple people that have bought packages, I would recommend putting in the link again. That way it's a little bit more organized as far as how many times it gets hit. Because medium and low, this will show these options just out of an algorithm of the amount of people that are in there. It's going to display that one so many times comparative to the others. So I would recommend if you have multiple people buying into the co-op, or if you have the same person buying multiple shares of the co-op, leave them all on high and just use the same link over. Say they bought 3 shares, so you would have their link in there 3 times. Okay. Start time, you can set up a date when to start it, and then end time, you can set up a date when to end it. But we don't want to put this in here. And you can also set a limit as to how many hits it can hit or receive. But we want to play this out as long as we can, so we're not going to set up a limit there. Alright. Now, as you can see right now, nobody's pages have been hit. So, test the link out. Alright, that's 1. So now if we go back into the tracker, it should show the first person on the list as 1 hit. Go back in here, we'll refresh the page. Go back here. Now we have 2 hits. We'll do this 2 more times. There'll be 3 hits to that link, 4 hits to that link. Refresh this page. As you see, there's been 4 total hits to it. Uniqueness shows that how many people, how many times it was clicked by an individual person. And each person got hit each individual time, okay? Hope that clarifies a little bit. If you have any more questions, just send me a comment in the box below, and I'll try to get back to your answers. Please like and subscribe. Let me know my work is actually helping people out, and additional information and links to the tracker, to what I'm doing. What my current business program is that's making me a lot of money, and plus my downlines. All of that can be found in the link box or description box below. All right, you folks have a good evening. Talk to you later.